Thank you. Oh.
I don't know how it works actually.
Oh.
I'm from Philippines. Later. Gwapo niyan. Parang feeling ko kami na talaga.
Hoy!
So, kita mo naman yung skin.
Pwede man sadya ako sa ulan.
Diri oh.
Nay, basta
Dito.
Nay. Kaya andam na itong mga utang diya pagkwentahan. Charot lang.
Sana siya na talaga. Okay.
Si Brenda ang kanyang camera. Yeah.
Do you want like that? Do you like this?
Yeah. Ano ba? Okay.
But move forward.
Open your mouth.
Yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Can we take picture together?
Oh, picture daw.
Are you alone?
Malak-init lagi.
Di bali.
I'm with my friend.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm doing
Hi.
vlog.
Hi, I'm Jessica. Oh. Ayan na. Ayan na mga moms. Screenshot nyo tapos comment nyo na later ha.
Ma, ito na yung yeah.
Everyone. Would you like to say hi to them?
Oh, hey, what's up?
This one. What's your Instagram?
Jim. I'm a similar company.
Oh, you're a cinematographer. I'm a vlogger. Perfect match. Sarap. Can you take pictures na yung convict? Instagram. You follow me already, right?
Yeah, I'm following.
I'll see you.
Yeah, I mean, but you want to keep following.
Thank you, Brenda.
Thank you.
What's your name again?
Yes.
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 Go. Can my friend take picture?
Should I take one of you?
Yeah.
Ayan, kuna day.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tita.
Wow. Feeling ko matatapusan natin yung abdo mo. Yun siya na talaga yung magpipix sa broken heart ko. Magpupuga po broken face naman. So ganun lang naman baka umasa sila na, di ba, parang akala nila ganun lang ako kaya daling makuha. So let them. I will let them.
Rate 1
me first.
Rate 1 to 10 gano'n ka easy to get?
Siguro mga negative 2.
Kailangan na namin umuwi agad.
Why?
Papasira kami ng buka ngayon.
Yeah, sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, if you want to get some boys like that, just ruin and break your face like me. Face. So I'll see you like later.
Ayan.
Kaniminig ako. Mga makatingin na naman ako ng banana. Charot lang.
Akala ko ba ayaw mo mag-hotdog sa Singapore?
I'm very happy to be in Singapore. I really love Singapore. Diba? Ang gwapo niya.
Tatlo na siya, uy. Laki ng puso niya.
Bye guys, puntahan ko muna siya.
Ha?